If you wanna know what's cooking, what's running 999.
Hey guys, today we're gonna be making crispy miso wrap. Let's go! Cut the potato as thinly as possible. And julienne strips. Soak the potato in the water for 5 minutes to remove the starchiness. Drain very well. Deep fry the potato till crispy. Drain the excess oil. Stir fry ginger and garlic for a minute. I use ground pork, but you can use chicken or beef if you like. I put some black pepper. Sake. Soy sauce. Miso. Green onion. Done. That was tasty miso meat wrap. That was fun to eat. Thanks guys for watching and see you in the next one. それじゃまた。